How to fix you have denied access to your devices on Ome TV. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue. Now it's going to be depending where you're using this platform right here. So say for example, you're using it via your mobile device in the application. All you have to do once you pull up the Ome TV app is to allow all sources or allow all necessary files so that you can have access in using this app. Well, if you're using this on your browser, what you want to have to do is to click this option here once you're on their site and then go into cookies and site data. Now from here, make sure that this option here that says third-party cookies is turned off. And the next thing is to click this option here that says manage on device site data. And you just need to simply delete all this option here and then hit on done. Refresh the page and then re-log in into your account. And that is how you fix you have denied access to your devices on Omi TV.